Due to the very slick design of the Eurofighter, it's not one really slow down, so you have to let it run in idle power very long to slow down the aircraft. He's not using any power until he advances to get out of this.
Besides Aalborg, only Brazilian Air Force team performs this impressive maneuver. Just to remind you, gap between formations in these moments is around 3 meters. Also pay attention on a quick and very attractive exit from the maneuver and formation swinging back to Yankee 6. Last 7 official airshow seasons, Aalborg performed 77 displays in front of millions of spectators, visiting 11 European countries. Only at the World Airshow 2010 in Italy, more than 500,000 people. I hope you enjoyed this short and flat program with Croatian Air Force display team Aalborg. Thank you for your patience. Best regards from Aalborg display team.
Thank you very much for a beautiful display. Yes? We know, but 5% of it was beautiful, and we love to see the rest 95%